The Royal Decree 1627/97, Construction Works, stipulates in its Annex 4, Part C, Point 3, Letter A, the following: platforms, scaffolding and catwalks, along with unevenness, gaps and openings which occur in the floors of construction sites, which for workers could result in the risk of a fall of over 2 meters, will be protected by railings or other similar collective safety protection systems. The railings will be hard-wearing, will be at least 90 centimeters high, and will have a protective ledge, a handrail, and an intermediate protection which prevents workers falling through. We are now going to observe the setting up of different types of railings. Metallic, with clamp-type post, with fixed post. Mixed, metal plastic, with clamp-type post, metal wood, with fixed post. The assumption that has to be considered for all of them is the same, and it consists of a slabbed edge which needs to be protected without having any previous collective protection. Setting up of clamp-style metal railings. Components of the equipment. Post and clamp. We can see the housing of the post in the clamp and the adjustment of its rim. Intermediate protection for the plinth shape with mesh and plate. Here we find a provisional safety system for a type AB edge, according to EN 13374. Assembly equipment. Workers will use the following IPEs: hard hat, gloves providing protection against mechanical risks, safety footwear, harness, anti-fall subsystem, lifelines and fixing crabs. We can see the edge protectors. Assembly. Previously, the danger zone has been outlined using a red-white colored tape, and points have been installed for auxiliary lifelines and for lifelines on the edge. The safety technician explains the assembly procedure to the worker, along with the safety measures that need to be adopted. To get to the edge, the worker attaches himself to an internal lifeline and then positions himself on the external lifeline. Thus secured, the worker starts setting up, measures the distance to the edge. Ruling line. Places the first post with its clamp. Manual tightening. Final tightening with a mallet. The correct positioning of the post and the clamp is checked. New positioning. Another one. Positioning of the intermediate protection. Necessary adjustments. Railing is in position. Settling the corner. Perfect adaptability of the intermediate protection. Setting up of fixed post metal railings. Equipment components. What distinguishes this protection from the previous one is the mounting gear. Assembly equipment. Comprises a drill, mallet, punch and protective goggles. Assembly. Drilling the slab. Raw plug. Punch used to insert the raw plug. Fixing. Manual tightening. Final tightening. Placing the post. Safety measure in case of accidental withdrawal. New fixings. Intermediate placing of protection. The worker makes use of the anti-fall device at all times. Settling the corner. Previous procedures are repeated. When the assembly is over, the safety technician checks it. The lifelines are removed. And so are the signs designating the danger zone, leaving the floor ready for use. Erecting mixed railings, metal plastic, clamp style. These railings are made up of metal posts and bolts, and the other components are made of plastic. Equipment components. Clamp style post, fastening system, joining nipples, intermediate injected plastic protection, metal safety bolts to fix the nipples. The fastening items are put into the post. We can see the clamp's fastening capability. Assembly team. Made up of 2 workers who will use the same IPEs as in previous cases. Assembly. We are attached to the lifeline from behind the danger zone. We can now approach the edge. We set up. We measure. We put the first clamp forward. And then the next ones. We tighten them. The intermediate protections are put in place. We secure using nipples and safety bolts. We proceed and place intermediate protections. We secure. The protection is in place. The IPEs are removed. As are the signs warning of the danger zone. The lifelines are removed. We put them into the bags. The floor is ready for use. Erecting fixed mixed metal wood railings. We assume that the conics are in place since the cemented phase. Equipment components. Posts. Main beams. Plinths or skirting boards. Assembly team. This time, it comprises one worker who will use the same IPEs as on previous occasions. Assembly. We attach ourselves to the previously installed lifeline and we approach the edge of the slab. We begin to fix the posts, introducing them into the conics. Fixing the plinth or skirting board. Intermediate crossbar. Top crossbar. We continue. The installation is complete. The signs are removed. The lifeline is removed. The floor is ready for use.